How to find low competition keywords in Semrush. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do so. First, you can check out the description below to get a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. Just go and click on the link in the description and you should be able to get started and follow along with the video. So to get started, once you actually log into your Semrush, you simply just want to go to the SEO tab and find a specific tool called the Keyword Magic tool. This is going to really help you out quite a lot. So just go and select this one. And you want to basically just enter your keyword in here and click on search, and we will show you exactly how to find the better ones. So just go and add your keyword in here. And you can also select specific regions if you want to, but anyway, you can just click on search to get started. So once you actually search for a specific keyword, you're going to find yourself in here. You're going to have a bunch of filters and you're going to be seeing a lot of different keywords with specific volumes here and also the keyword difficulty. These two are really what we want to be looking at. You want a lower KD and a higher volume. I mean, not specifically very, very high like the 49,000, but from 100 to 500 if you're really just starting out. That should be okay with a lower KD. So anyways, how do we actually find low competition ones? One of the ways to do so is by filtering to the questions tab here. Questions do usually rank lower with the, not rank lower, but sorry, the keyword difficulty is going to be lower for them, as you can see. So you can just go ahead and use that as one of the methods to actually find low competition keywords for the one that we just added. But the better way to do so and find low competition keywords would be to actually filter from the KD itself. If you find here the KD filter, you click on it and you're going to find the different difficulties that you can find. You can go for very easy, but usually it's just not going to make sense to go for this one because the keywords are just going to be, I mean, it's very easy for a reason, you know? So I suggest that you go for the easy filter here, click on that and click on apply, and you're going to find a lot of low competition keywords, but you also are going to be able to find high volume ones with low competition. And also you can just click on this little KD thing and filter so that it's going to be from low to high. This way you can even get a more low competition keywords to show up here for you. So this is basically the best way to find low competition keywords in Semrush. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.